Happy morning, students. Today we are going to read a poem, Noses, which is written by Ellen Fisher. The poetess Ellen Fisher was an American writer. In this poem, she is trying to sensitize a child and make her feel happy with what she is or has. We all have one nose, right? Don't we? So what is so special about this nose? And what is really so funny about it? First stanza. I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. It's the funniest thing, the way it grows, stuck right out where all of it shows, with two little holes where the breathing goes. We know, children, we all of us have different types of faces and our features also varies. In this stanza, the poetess say that whenever she looks at the mirror, she looks at her nose and find it very funny because it is coming out of her face. All of her nose is shown and she finds the two holes in it to be strange. These are used by us for taking in air to our lungs and giving it out. Second stanza. I looked in the mirror and saw in there the end of my chin and the start of my hair, and between there isn't much space to spare with my nose, like a handle sticking there. Here also the poetess say that she looked at herself in the mirror and found her nose to be placed in the middle of her face, between her chin and head, just like a handle is fixed onto a door. So children, here the poetess compares it to a handle and says it is fitted onto her face in the middle of her chin and head. She suggests that if a child wants to laugh at something, they can look at her nose in the mirror and laugh at it. We all of us have different face and features, and each face is unique. Third stanza. If ever you want to giggle and shout and can't think of what to do it about, just look in the mirror and then no doubt you'll see how funny your nose sticks out. In this stanza, she tells the child, the reader, that if ever she wants to laugh at something but cannot find one, he can look at her nose in the mirror. She says that the child will find it so funny and strange, the way her nose too grows out of her face, that she will burst into a laughter. So children, that was all about the poem Noses. Thank you, students, and have a nice day.